Okay, so now today we will prepare or we will learn about cost sheet. Okay, so which cost include into the primary cost, then work cost or factory cost of production, cost of goods sold, and cost of sales, and then find out your profit. Okay, so cost sheet is there. Okay, so first of all we will calculate prime cost. So that time which cost included into the prime cost. So first of all, opening stock of raw material. Okay, how much your opening cost related to the raw material you include into the prime cost. So then add. Okay, म्हणजे add करत चालायचं. Purchase of raw material, how much, so amount mentioned is there. Then add purchase expenses. Okay, any other expenses you will purchase, so that also mentioned here. Then less. Okay, पहिले आपण add केलं कसं, then less, which cost is less, closing stock of raw material. Okay, तुमचा closing stock राहिला असेल ते. Then raw material consumed, how much raw material consumed, so that also less. Then direct wages and direct charges. Okay, जे आपण काय केलं पहिले, ओपनिंग स्टॉक जे आहे सर तो परचेस रॉ मटेरियल ऍड केला, परचेस एक्सपेन्सेस केले, त्याची टोटल केली, देन लेस केले कंझ्युमर स्टॉक ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल कंझ्युम, डायरेक्ट वेजेस अँड डायरेक्ट चार्जेस. ओके, एवढं कॅल्क्युलेट ऍड करून लेस केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला गेट इट प्राइम कॉस्ट. ओके, सो दिस चार्जेस ऑफ दिस points included into the prime cost. Then next we will find out or calculate work cost. So work cost, some add factory overhead. Okay, so whenever you will calculate work cost, so then first of all one heading is there which is factory overhead. Okay, add factory overhead. So which overhead which, so factory rent. Okay, factory power, then indirect material, indirect wages, office salary, factory insurance, factory asset depreciation, supervision of sales. Okay, ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही whenever you will find out or calculate this factory overhead, it means some factory rent, power, salary, material, wages or material, which wages or material, indirect. Okay, then salary, insurance, depreciation, then you will find out some supervision of salary. Okay, supervision of salary. The next, add opening stock of WIP. It means stand for work in progress. Okay, how much work in progress stock mention is there. Then how much closing stock of work in progress. Then less it opening, then less closing. Then get your work cost or factory cost. त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही ओपनिंग वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस किती आहे, देन क्लोजिंग वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस लेस करायचं ओपनिंग मधून, देन दी वर्क कॉस्ट अँड फॅक्टरी कॉस्ट तुम्हाला मिळेल. ओके, देन थर्ड कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. ओके, whenever you calculate for cost of production, so first heading is there, add administration overhead. Okay, so which administration overhead, some official rent, asset depreciation, general charges, audit fees, bank charges, and other office expenses. All this add, and then you find out or calculate or get it cost of production is there. Okay, so this administration overhead, all the administration overhead include into the cost of production. Okay, it means some calculate or adding this, then get it cost of production. Then you will calculate cost of goods sold. Okay, so whenever you will find out or calculate cost of goods sold, so that time you will remember your finished goods. Okay, so how much opening finished goods and how much closing finished goods. The opening finished goods less closing finished goods. Okay, so automatically get it cost of goods sold. How much cost whenever you will sold the goods, so the cost is there. Okay, then the cost of sales. Okay, so cost of, whenever you will find out or calculate cost of sales, so that time we will mention one heading, add selling and distribution charges. It means some all these selling and distribution related charges include into this heading, okay? Some salary and commission, salesman salary, traveling expenses, advertisement, delivery man expenses, sale tax and bad debts. All this include into the selling and distribution overhead. Then total, then or find out cost of sales. So all these overheads include, then automatically get it cost of sales is there. How much cost of sales so is here, okay? Then sales is already given to the sales. तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये सेल्स दिलेली असते, ओके? सो दॅट टाइम मध्ये एक पॉइंट टाकायचा प्रॉफिट, ओके? ज्यावेळेस तुमची हाऊ मच कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स समथिंग 1 लाख, ओके? इट्स एक्झाम्पल 1 लाख तुमची कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स आहे आणि तुम्हाला सेल्स ऑलरेडी दिलेला आहे 1,50,000, ओके? सेल्स ऑलरेडी गिवन टू द प्रॉब्लेम और इन दैट डाटा. सो सेल्स किती आहे 1,50,000 and how much cost of sales 1 lakh. So difference, how much difference? So 50,000, okay? So this 50,000 your profit, okay? You will understand, okay? So this is the cost sheet. Okay? So this is the cost sheet. I will again explain, okay? ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला प्राइम कॉस्ट काढायचं असतं, त्यावेळेस some purchase or some material include the prime cost. It means some opening stock, add purchase raw material, purchase expenses, then less closing stock and raw material consumed, some direct wages and indirect wages. All the direct wages include into the prime cost, okay? Then indirect, so indirect is include into the factory cost. So then the prime cost, then next factory cost. So factory cost which overhead include factory rent related by the factory. All these overhead related by the factory, okay? It means some factory rent, factory power, indirect material, indirect wages, office salary, factory insurance. Then you will get it the some supervision of salary. Then you will add some opening stock of work in progress. How much cost work in progress you are opening, then how much you are closing work in progress stock, work in progress stock. So less it, then get it some work cost and factory cost, okay? Then third, you will calculate cost of production. That time you will some administration overhead, okay? Some heading is there, administration overhead. So which or how much office overhead, okay? So which expenses include into the administration. So first office asset depreciation, so which related, administrative related, okay? Then general charges, audit fees, bank charges, other expenses, okay? Then get it cost of production. आणि त्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला cost of goods sold, okay? Those goods sold ची cost काय आहे find out. So that time we will some add opening finished goods, how much finished goods opening and how much closing finished goods. Then they get it cost of goods sold. Then the last cost of sales करायचे, okay? Whenever we will find out cost of sales, so that time we will also add selling and distribution overhead. So which overhead or which expenses related to the selling and distribution, they adding, okay? Some sales expenses, sales and commission, salesman salary, traveling expenses, advertisement, delivery man expenses, sales tax and bad debts. So add and then get it cost of sales, okay? कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स एक्झाम्पल दिले मी तुम्हाला 1 लाख आली तुमची, ओके? सेल्स तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये दिलेली असेल. सो दे मेंशन और पुट इट हियर हाऊ मच सेल्स 1,50,000. सो हाऊ मच डिफरन्स इज हियर 50,000. सो 50,000 युअर प्रॉफिट, ओके? समटाइम काय होतं विल गेट लॉस येतो, ओके? हे आता इट्स उलट करू. 1 लाख तुमची सेल्स आहे, ओके? आणि कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन किती आलेला आहे 1,50,000. सो दैट टाइम 50,000 your not be profit, it is your loss, okay? Got it? Okay, you will understand? Okay, so next lecture we will learn some numerical problem related to the cost sheet. How much or how to calculate prime cost, work cost, cost of production, cost of goods sold, cost of sales, and then get it profit, okay? Some simple problem we will learn next lecture.